Good morning. Welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing for Saturday, the 6th of June, 2026. 82 years since D-Day. So we'll start this morning with the synoptic chart as per usual. This is lunchtime yesterday, and this low pressure out to the west is what's going to dominate our weather today. If we take that through midnight last night, you can see it's just off the southern tip of Ireland. And if we bring that through to lunchtime today, it's now in the southwest corner of Wales. This occlusion, which is wrapped around it, is dominating the weather in the southern half of England. And there's a trough running from Liverpool down to about Ipswich, which is also not helping with the weather. We'll take that through midnight tonight and into lunchtime tomorrow, just to give you an idea of what's coming our way. There's lows out to the north, which are still driving the weather across pretty much most of the UK. But there is a ridge of high pressure starting to build tomorrow, which may help the situation in the southern part of England, but we'll have to wait and see what comes our way. Sat peak, you can see there's a huge amount of cloud cover on the sat peak there, and there's a lot of rain involved in that, and you can see the occlusions there, which are swirling around, not helping the situation. Rain radar, overnight there was a fair amount of rain went through. It certainly woke me up in the middle of the night. But there's more on its way. There's showers, which are going to be dominating the weather throughout the day. And if we look at the rain forecast, this is 9 o'clock, and it looks like there's a bit of a gap that will be sat in around at 9 o'clock, but by 10, back into showers again, and that's going to continue throughout the day, certainly according to this forecast, with sort of more sort of continuous rain late in the afternoon. And we probably won't see a clearance until about 7 o'clock this evening. The TAF Primordium is out of date. That ran out at 6 o'clock this morning. However, the METAR is saying 140 degrees, 15 knots, about 4,100 meters visibility and light rain. A few clouds at 900 feet, overcast at 4,300 feet, temperature at 11, dew point 10, pressure 10.05. I've gone down to Southampton to get their TAF, and they're forecasting 15018 gusting 30. Okay, greater than 10k visibility, few at 1,500 feet, scattered at 2,500 feet. Then becoming by about 9 o'clock this morning, 21018 gusting 32. And temporarily between 6 o'clock this morning and 3 o'clock this afternoon, visibility 7 kilometres in rain or light rain and drizzle, broken at 1,400 feet with a 40% chance that between now and 9 o'clock. Viz down to 3 kilometres in heavy rain or rain and drizzle, broken at 900 feet with a 30% chance at between 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Down to 4 kilometres visibility in heavy rain or heavy showers and rain, broken at 800 feet, and then becoming between 12 and 3, 240, 20, gusting 35. Winds aloft to the north, 160, 20 knots at 1,000 and 2,000 feet. 5,000 feet wind, 170, 20. To the south of us, 240 degrees, 45 at 1,000 feet. 250, 55, 2,000 and 260, 45 at 5,000. On the ground here at Lasham, we're starting off 7 o'clock this morning with a 15 knot southeasterly, and that's going to gradually work its way around to sort of westerly-ish wind by about 5, 6 o'clock this evening. The local Met Office forecast suggests that we're going to have a moderate to fresh breeze at 14 to 17 knots throughout the day, but that's going to be gusting into the high 20s, early 30s as the day goes on, and from the south around towards the southwest. So not quite concurring with the other forecasts, but certainly up there. Temperature-wise, GFS are forecasting about 13 centigrade at lunchtime with the dew point at 12. And if we have a look at what we have here at Lasham, we'll just refresh that. So we've got 11 centigrades at 7:45 this morning, and 8.7 is the dew point. Camera on the south side, this was at 7:30. I've just refreshed it, no real point in doing that, but that's how it looks as I'm doing the briefing. We've certainly got low cloud, really poor visibility, lots of precipitation. Not very nice out there. So sky sight, this is the point windgram, which gives a cross section as well. And you see the winds are pretty strong, even on the surface. And we've got rain to begin with, a small gap with the cloud base going up to about 1,000 feet, but still overcast. And then coming back down again with rain from early afternoon right through until into the evening. Top meteo, look at significant weather on top meteo from 9 o'clock in the morning. Again, that concurs with sky sight and rain throughout the day, right into the early evening. So no TAMs, we're not going to deal with no TAMs today. There's no real need for going in there because it doesn't look like we're going to be flying. So let's go and have a look at the standard airfield briefing. 2XL movements on the airfield. There's nothing planned for today. Airfield ops general situation. There's low pressure centred southwest Wales at noon today. The occlusions wrapped around the low, and there's a trough from Liverpool to Ipswich that's dominating weather across southern England. We've got moderate to strong winds, southerly, which is moving round to westerly throughout the day. And of course, we've got all those showers and rain to contend with. So therefore, the day is scrubbed. For those that are here for the SGP, we have the opening ceremony tonight. So if you're around the clubhouse from about tea time onwards, you'll be able to get involved with that. That's pretty much it from me today. I'd imagine I'm not going to see you out on the airfield, but I may well see you around the clubhouse. Stay safe in the poor weather, and I'll see you again tomorrow morning.